Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. The 13th Joint Military Drill named Exercise Khanjar in Feb 2026 is conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option C, Kyrgyzstan. On which date was Indian Coast Guard Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option B, 1st February. Who has been selected as the new Chief Minister of Manipur after nearly 1 year of President's rule in the state? Right answer is option B, Yumnam Khemchand Singh. Which franchise secured the Women's Premier League 2026 championship title? Right answer is option A, Royal Challengers Bangalore. What is the total number of Ramsar sites in India as of February 2026? Correct answer is option D, 98. Sunetra Pawar, who was sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra in January 2026, became the state's first woman to hold which position? Right answer is option B, first woman Deputy Chief Minister. On which date was World Wetlands Day celebrated in 2026? Right answer is option A, 2nd February. Which new initiative was introduced in the Union Budget 2026 specifically to support rural women entrepreneurs? Right answer is option B, She Marts. In which city did the 39th edition of the Indian International Leather Fair commence? Correct answer is option C, Chennai. Kyrgyzstan recently banned the import of animals and animal products from India due to concerns related to which disease? Correct answer is option B, Nipah virus. Which airport has become the first in India to introduce hydrogen powered buses for passenger transportation within its premises? Right answer is option C, Cochin International Airport. According to the Economic Survey 2025-26, which Indian state accounts for the highest share of generative AI startups in the country? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which service contingent was declared the best marching contingent at the Republic Day Parade 2026? Right answer is option D, Indian Navy. The Supreme Court ruled that the right to menstrual hygiene is protected under which fundamental right of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, Article 21, right to life and personal liberty. Which district in Chhattisgarh became the first in India to collect property tax through the Samarth Panchayat portal? Right answer is option D, Dhamtari. On which date was World Cancer Day observed in the year 2026? Right answer is option C, 4th February. How many individuals were awarded the Sarvottam Jeevan Raksha Padak in 2025? Right answer is option A, 6. The World Bank approved financial assistance of how much amount for the Jal Sanrakshit Haryana project aimed at making Haryana self-reliant in the water sector? Right answer is option B, rupees 5,700 crore. Veteran journalist Sir William Mark Tully, who passed away at the age of 90 in New Delhi, was associated with which international media organization? Right answer is option B, BBC. Indian mountaineer Kaba Kiano successfully climbed Mount Aconcagua, which is recognized as the highest peak of which continent? Right answer is option C, South America. Which organization launched the Sampurnata Abhiyan 2.0 initiative in 2026? Right answer is option A, Niti Aayog. Who clinched his first ever Grammy Award in 2026 for Best Audiobook Narration and Storytelling Recording? Right answer is option C, Dalai Lama. During which years did Inderjit Singh Bindra serve as the president of BCCI before his passing in 2026? Right answer is option A, 1993 to 1996. Which museum in 2026 announced the return of ancient bronze sculptures to India? Right answer is option A, Smithsonian's National Museum of Asian Art. What was the theme of the NCC PM Rally 2026 addressed by PM Narendra Modi? Right answer is option D, Rashtrapratham Kartavya Nishtha Yuva. Which state in India launched the Mukhyamantri Etikoli Dutipat scheme? Right answer is option B, Assam. In which state was the CM Gramothan Yojana launched to enhance rural development? Right answer is option D, Gujarat. Where is the 10-day Saras Fair being celebrated? Right answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. According to the Economic Survey 2025-26, what is the projected real GDP growth rate for India in the financial year 2026? Right answer is option C, 7.4%. Who won the men's singles title at the Australian Open 2026? Right answer is option A, Carlos Alcaraz. Which European nation became the first to impose a ban on social media usage for children under the age of 16? Right answer is option C, Spain. In which district of Rajasthan was the renowned Desert Festival 2026 celebrated? Right answer is option D, Jaisalmer. Who introduced Bharat Taxi, India's first cooperative based ride hailing service? Right answer is option C, Amit Shah. Which Indian state emerged as the largest contributor to the nation's total renewable energy capacity as of 31st December 2025? Right answer is option D, Gujarat. The Garbh Sanskar initiative, introduced to be taught in all universities along with dedicated hospital rooms, was launched by which state government? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? Right answer is option B, Kota Ravi. The My India Budget Quest 2026 initiative was launched by which union minister? Right answer is option C, Mansukh Mandavia. In which state was the newly discovered orchid species Diplocentrum papillosum found? Right answer is option C, Kerala. Which state government set a Guinness World Record by distributing 5,555 e cycles to women and female students within 24 hours? Right answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Which team clinched the Pro Wrestling League 2026 championship title? Right answer is option B, Haryana Thunders. The International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation 2026 was observed on which date? Right answer is option C, 6th February. Who launched the Chakra Center of Excellence initiative? Right answer is option B, State Bank of India. The Thaipusam Festival 2026 was celebrated in which Indian state? Right answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Veerabhadran Ramanathan, an Indian origin scientist, received which prestigious award, often referred to as the Nobel Prize of Geosciences? Right answer is option D, Crafoord Prize. In which state will India's first national UAV testing and innovation corridor be established? Right answer is option C, Odisha. Nivedita Dubey has been appointed as director of which organization? Right answer is option B, Airports Authority of India. A bronze statue of Mahatma Gandhi was reportedly stolen in February 2026 from which location in Australia? Right answer is option C, Australian Indian Community Centre, Melbourne. Which state chief minister launched Pillu AI? Right answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Which scheme is designed to provide industry relevant skill training to persons with disabilities in sectors such as IT, AVGC, hospitality, and food and beverage? Right answer is option C, Divyangjan Kaushal Yojana. Which state announced a rupees 50 crore grant to preserve the heritage of the Darang kings of the Koch dynasty? Right answer is option A, Assam. Which organization partnered with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to launch the $50 million Horizon 1000 AI Health Initiative in Africa? Right answer is option C, OpenAI. Which city hosted the 86th All India Presiding Officers Conference? Right answer is option A, Lucknow. Pondru Khadi, which was recently granted a geographical indication tag, is associated with which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Who was elected as the president of the Federation of Indian Granite and Stone Industry for the 2026-28 term? Right answer is option B, Ishwinder Singh. Who became the first Indian badminton player to achieve the milestone of 500 singles match wins? Right answer is option D, PV Sindhu. Which Indian company featured among the top 10 firms in the 2026 Global 100 Most Sustainable Corporations list released by Corporate Knights? Right answer is option D, Suzlon. The first international conference on green artificial intelligence was organized in which city? Correct answer is option B, Dubai. Who was appointed as a Vigilance Commissioner in the Central Vigilance Commission? Right answer is option D, Praveen Vasisht. India's first immersive fertility knowledge center was launched by Oxygen IVF in which city? Right answer is option A, Mumbai. Which country introduced the world's first comprehensive artificial intelligence legislation known as the AI Basic Act? Right answer is option C, South Korea. Which telecom operator became the first in India to provide seamless mobile connectivity across Kolkata's Vidyasagar Setu? Right answer is option C, Bharti Airtel. India's first Namo Book Festival, titled the Namo Genvi Book Fest, was organized in which city? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. When is International Data Privacy Day observed globally every year? Right answer is option C, 28th January. Who received the prestigious J.C. Daniel Award 2024, the highest honor in Malayalam cinema? Right answer is option D, Sarada. Which women's Premier League player became the first to score a century in the tournament's history? Right answer is option D, Nat Seaver Brunt. Fujiyama Power Systems commissioned a 1 gigawatt solar cell manufacturing plant at Dadri in which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Which platform became India's first trade receivables discounting system to declare and pay dividends? Right answer is option C, RXIL. The Padmapani Award at the 11th Ajanta Ellora International Film Festival was conferred upon which personality? Right answer is option D, Ilayya Raja. What was the total value of India's electronics exports recorded during the financial year 2024-25? Correct answer is option A, $47 billion. Which country recently approved a legal ban on social media usage for children below 15 years of age? Correct answer is option D, France. Where was India's first national capacity building program for tribal doctors conducted? Correct answer is option A, Hyderabad. Who became the 92nd Grand Master of India? Right answer is option C, Aryan Varshney. On which date is National Geographic Day celebrated in the year 2026? Correct answer is option B, 27th January. Gulfood 2026, in which India participated as the partner country, was held in which city? Correct answer is option C, Dubai. Indian Newspaper Day is observed every year on which date? Correct answer is option B, 29th January. The Semmuzi Illakkiya Virudhu, launched by the Tamil Nadu government, is awarded to writers in which category? Right answer is option D, 7 non Hindi Indian languages. Who recently became the first tennis player to win 400 Grand Slam matches? Right answer is option D, Novak Djokovic. India's first open sea fish farming project has been launched in which location? Right answer is option A, Andaman Sea. Who was appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court and sworn in on January 16, 2026? Right answer is option D, Justice Sujoy Paul. The world's largest green ammonia project by AM Green is being set up in which Indian state? Right answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Yoweri Museveni was reappointed as the president of which country? Correct answer is option D, Uganda. Ratapani Tiger Reserve, renamed as Dr. Vishnu Sridhar Vakankar Tiger Reserve, is located in which state? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. India has officially nominated the famous Living Root Bridges for UNESCO's 2026-27 World Heritage Evaluation Cycle. These bridges are in which state? Right answer is option C, Meghalaya. Where was the 16th meeting of the International Renewable Energy Agency held? Right answer is option D, Abu Dhabi, UAE. CSIR CIMFR conducted India's first comprehensive safety assessment of a multi stage hydrogen compressor and dispenser at which location? Right answer is option C, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The fourth edition of India Energy Week 2026 was held from January 27th to 30th in which state? Right answer is option C, Goa. Who was named the ICC Men's Player of the Month for December 2025? Right answer is option D, Mitchell Stark. The Raja Rani Music Festival 2026 was organized in which state? Right answer is option B, Odisha. Shaya Mohsin Zindani was recently appointed Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Yemen. Where was the third International Kite Festival held? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Which state government signed an MOU with Starlink to enhance satellite connectivity? Correct answer is option B, Goa. Who assumed charge as the Coast Guard commander of the Western Seaboard in Mumbai on January 19th, 2026? Right answer is option D, MV Pathak. Which Indian state government has launched a dedicated review portal called Samiksha Portal for real time monitoring of projects funded under the Central Finance Commission grants? Right answer is option B, Odisha. Where was the foundation stone laid for India's first state funded BSL 4 containment facility and laboratory? Correct answer is option D, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The International Day of Clean Energy is observed globally on which date? Right answer is option C, 26th January. The inaugural season of the Kabaddi Champions League 2026 is being held in which state? Right answer is option D, Haryana. Hoya negensin, a newly discovered species of plant, was recently identified in which Indian state? Right answer is option B, Nagaland. Where was the second Global Buddhist Summit held on January 24th and 25th, 2026? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. The Coast Guards of India conducted a joint hazardous and noxious substances response exercise in Mumbai with which country? Right answer is option D, Japan. The Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana was recently launched in which Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Punjab. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.